Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadeusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Iyesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Good day. So this is the book. This book has been released, but online now. Online. Those who want to buy the online copies, you can do so now. Before you can get the hard copies, for those of you in Lagos, Ogun, you have to give us 8 days. Yes. As from November 8th, if you go to any of our agents, by the special grace of God, you will see this book with them. But now, it's available online only now. Yes. African Power. This is October 31st. Today is October 31st, the year 2020. Yes, as you are watching me today, the book can be purchased online now. So it is after 1 week that we'll be able to get the hard copies from our agents at Mushin, Oshodi, Surulere. Don't forget the price is double the amount you used to buy my books. Because what I put inside, when you see it, àṣírí àwọn àgbà ló wà ńbẹ̀ o. Yes, àṣírí àwọn àgbà. They put a lot of secrets in this book. As you see, very small like this. What you want to call a new, can you to journal? Yes. I told you how you can use needle. How you can use needle for protection. Àwọn ọ̀tá wá mi wálé kò bá mi nílé. Ọ̀tá ń ṣe yéye orí mi o. Yes. Yes. Tí ẹ̀sìn ò bá gba gbogbo nǹkan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. If religion has not taken your brain from you, this book will work for you. I'm not talking of somebody that has been given sticker. That when you paste a sticker on your car, insurance has covered you. No armed robber will attack you. No bandits will disturb you. But the person that gave you sticker, whenever he is going around, he will go with every policeman, every security. But when you are given sticker, you will go and paste it on the car. Insurance has covered me. Or yellow one. Those who gave you sticker to paste in your car, whenever they want to go, soldier in the front, mobile police in the back, at the back. Yes, Oyinbo has brought religion for us. Yes. The Oyinbo that brought religion for you, they are the people that are still using talisman. Do you know talisman? Oyinbo brought religion for you, but they are using talisman. I will not talk on that today. Yes. I told you about the retentive memory is there. It's in this book. I taught you on YouTube how you can use coconut water and honey. Somebody has copied me and posted it. I don't worry. It's in the book now. It has been documented. Yes. It has been documented. Those of you calling, I say you should not call this line. You can only send WhatsApp. Yes. African Power is now released. Yes. I told you about egg cells, native egg cells. Onakidi, Kadiemo Debi Abe. Yes. There's no matter how hard it is. Any fowl that is on brooding, that is on incubating, must reach the incubation center. Yes. Onakidi, Kadiemo Debi Abe. I told you about orange peas. A person. The orange tree normally stays in the bush. It is human being that will labor to find it. Yes, they will labor themselves, cut bushes, cut grasses to go and find the orange trees. Igbo lo sanwa, omaraye lo lana ba, omaraye ma lana reti efun e. The secret is here now. I've published inside this book. What we had to orange pea. When you get the orange pea, you dry it, mix it with honey. And one thing, yes, what we had to eat is in this book. African Power. African Power. Yes, I told you about needle. Abẹ́rẹ́ kọjá lọ kọ́nù òkò tó di. The needle will always pass through before thread gets problem of passing through. How you can use needle? It is in that book. It is in this book now. It's available now. I told you about corn. Ìhòòhò làgbàdo máa ń wọnú ebè tó bá jáde tán lódò nígbà sọ. When a farmer wants to plant his seed maize or corn, it normally enters nakedness. But when it germinates up, it will get multiple leaves. Ìhòòhò làgbàdo ń wọnú ebè tó bá jáde tán lódò nígbà sọ. Yes, when farmer plant only one seed, when it grow up, you know how many seeds we get. For one seed like this, you hold one bunch like this, you know how many seeds you will get. Sometimes you get 200. And it is only one that the farmer will plant. Are you bashiri? What you can do is in this book. If you're in position, you don't want people to shake your chair. What you can do is in this book. Yes. Yes. Toba Safu duty. African Power is here. Yes, it's online now. Anytime you pay, tell us your email, WhatsApp or Gmail so that we forward the book to you. Anytime you pay, just notify us. This is my name. I've paid to your account. This is my email, WhatsApp. We will forward the book to you without delay. Some people will pay. After 3 days, they will call you. I never see my book. But you never send your email or WhatsApp. How are we going to send the book to you? They say, okay, sorry, I will now send it to you now. Anytime you pay, call us, I've paid. Then I will send my Gmail or email to collect the book. About the other books, sometimes you can go to our agent, you may not see it again. I used to withdraw books on market. Sometimes when I release, I remember when I released 50 Ways of Reasoning, after some time, I withdrew them from the market. Yes. Yes. If you go to our agents now, solution to woman problems, healing power of money, it may not be available again because I used to withdraw books from the market. This is the latest you can see anytime, anyhow now. If I release book, if people don't rush it the way I expect, I used to pack them from the market. Ask for my customers in Lagos, in Nigeria generally. They know me. Many people will be coming to Yesi to buy it. Yes. I remember when I pack healing power of money, I withdraw them from the market. People have to come from all over the states to come back to Yesiota to buy the book. I said, when I release the book, if you don't need it, I will do the book from the market. Where we put it, rats cannot chop it. Cockroach cannot near the books. So this is the book again. If I don't meet my target within 2 months, I may withdraw from the market again. That's my policy. It means you don't need it. But if you need it this time, yes. If you go to market now, you are looking for solution to woman problem. They may not sell for you again unless you come back to Yesiota to buy the books. Yes. Yes. Only 2 books are now available. Solution, Honors in Medicine and African Power. These books, unless you want to buy online, I mean the other books. Yes, if I release one book, if you don't buy the way I expect, I used to withdraw the book from the market. Yes. When people need it, they will now spend money for transport to come and buy it. Yes. I said, but when the book was with our agent, why didn't you buy? Some people will tell you because they were not sick that time. It was my friend that introduced the book to me. I didn't hear it. So don't forget the book is online now. You can buy the book, get it on your WhatsApp, email or Gmail. Yes. Very clear. Yes. We printed this one in capital letters. Don't forget, I am Babolo original, and you are watching Kenisho Television. You will see the phone number at the bottom of this channel. We don't accept calls on this channel. You drop your message, we will reply you. Because we always busy with the other line, Baba Oloyin Television. Baba Oloyin Television. we take calls on that one. They cannot be picking calls, answering calls on the other one. Then this one said, no. When you send your message here, by the special grace of God, we will reply your message. Just send your message on WhatsApp or in WhatsApp only. You will see the WhatsApp number at the bottom of this channel. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.